This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So now we've been running it for a while now and no more leaks because that seal is doing a better job. Yeah, nothing wet in there. That's great. Turn it off. Today we have a Miele Incognito dishwasher that's developed a little bit of leak here when it runs, and it's very common for all dishwashers, very easy to fix. All you got to do, open it up and have an old toothbrush and some water. We're going to clean this seal. The seal goes all the way around and it prevents water from seeping out. It goes between seal between here and this surface. So if it's leaking, you'll see kind of weird soap residue sneaking out over here. And to clean it is super easy. Just take a old toothbrush and some water and just get rid of the soap residue, which is, you'll see, is a white powdery substance. It just builds up over time. Just clean it really good. You don't really have to use any kind of a detergent or soap. You just use water and some abrasion. And the main area to get, it's most critical, is down in the corner. So you go all the way around, and once you've cleaned it, just take a paper towel or a washcloth and go over it, and if it's looking nice and black again, you're all set. If not, you might just do a little more abrasion. The other thing though, once you finish cleaning it, is you grab it and you pull it out of its channel a little bit. Just pull it towards you a little bit all the way around. If you pull too far, it'll come out of the channel, but you can pull about 1/16 of an inch, is just a tiny bit, all the way around the perimeter. What that does is it then creates a tighter seal again between that rubber seal and that metal frame. Gives you a nice watertight seal again. So just pull that out a little bit. If you notice, if you feel it and the rubber is supple and soft, then you're good. But if it's really dried and if it looks cracked, you can just buy a new one from Miele USA. Just give them a call. Tell them your model number, which is found on a sticker here on the side. The sticker's starting to come off. Give them your model number and they can send you a new one pretty cheap. But do that pulling out all the way around the top, all the way around the other side. And then again, you can see that residue we haven't cleaned yet over here. That's the main thing that's causing that leak to occur, but it's also the compression over many years of closing it. Don't be too concerned with this one at the bottom. It's not really doing that much. They tend to be pretty torn up and warped over the years, but it doesn't really do much to seal it. It's mainly this one that's really preventing the water from coming out. And that's what causes the leak. Usually you'll see it while it's running, water will drip out the bottom of the door. So that's all there is to it. Just cleaning along that seal. You don't have to be concerned with this one, but it's this inner one, which is the black seal. And you're just using water and abrasion to get that residue off. And then once you get the residue off, grab it, pull it towards you just slightly. You guys can see that. It's coming out just a little bit. Try to do it uniformly. And then once that's all done, just close the door, and that compression will make it nice and watertight again. But the way you know you have a problem is you'll see this soap residue building up right here, and that's not supposed to happen. You can get a little water there, that's fine, but you don't want that white residue. It means the water's sneaking past during the cycle because that rubber seal is a bit dirty or too compressed. So I hope that helps you. This will work for any dishwasher you have, but works really good for the Miele. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.